Hello everyone and welcome to this month's Patreon videos. This month we're looking at playing the blues in C using triads and 4-note arpeggios to create some interesting lines. So the first thing with the blues in C is make sure you know the form. So play through the root notes of each of the chords in the blues sequence. So in the key of C, our first four bars are going to be C, bar 2 is going to be C7, bar 1, bar 2 is going to be F7, bar 3 is C7, bar 4 is C7, bar 5 is F7, bar 6 is F7, bar 7 is C7, bar 8 is C7, bar 9 is G7, bar 10 is F7, bar 11 is C7, bar 12 can be C7 or G7. Just play through the root notes first of all of each of the chords in time. So here's the counting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So get familiar with that first. Now then introduce the triad and play those in this swung rhythm if you're interested in playing jazz and shuffle rhythms. So the triad of C is C-E-G, the triad of F is F-A-C, and the triad of G is G-B-D. So here we go, I'm going to play the triad in the order of the chords in the form, in time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. F. 1 and 2, 3. C. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 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 Okay, now I've written those out in the PDFs that you can download. I've written them out in tab and in notation. Now, to create the sound of a 7 chord, we need to introduce one more note to the triad, and that's the flattened 7th. So in C7, our notes are going to be C, E, G, B flat. F7, F, A, C, E flat. And G7 is G, B, D, F. So let's play those 4-note arpeggios in the order of the chords in the form, and the rhythm we're going to use is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So a swung rhythm. It's got a swung feel. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 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 3, 4. Okay, so that's the 4-note arpeggio of each of the chords to make a dominant 7 sound. Now, what you can do to make sure that you know each of the notes really securely is play the root to the 3rd, root to the 5th, root to the 7th. So rather than playing 4 notes, just take 2 notes and explore the sound of the root note to the 3rd, the root note to the 5th, the root note to the flat 7. So I'll demonstrate. So we're going to go root to the 3rd on a C7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so root to the 3rd. Now the root to the 3rd on an F7 chord will be F to A. Root to the 3rd on a G7 chord root to the 5th on a C7 chord. F7, C7, okay, and root to the 5th on a G7 chord is G to D. All there in the arpeggio that I've written. Root to the flat 7, C, B flat. On F7, F, E flat to F, and on G7, G to F. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just play, I'll take one of those, I'll play the root to the flat 7 on each of the chords, in the order of the chords in the form of the blues. So, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, F7, C7, F7, Okay, in the next video I'm going to show a sample solo using just those 4 notes in each of the chord in those positions to construct an interesting solo on the blues. So please look at the PDFs because I've tabbed them all out, I've written them out in notation, each of those exercises, take them nice and slowly and let me know if you have any questions.